In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money. Even if you have a job, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to turn your skills, your gift, and the things you know how to do into making money. Money time. Alright, let's just get started, alright? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always, I'm super excited to be back to share another video with you. It's Sunday morning and I am on a roll filming all these videos. I'm really happy to be able to do it. The weather is great, the light coming from outside is so good. As I can see from my screen, my video seemed very crisp this morning and I'm loving it. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money. You know, a lot of times, a lot of us wait for traditional jobs and to be able to make money. You see, the way the world is going these days, it is the people who are smart that would actually make money. I'm telling you. And this is why I'm going to be sharing this with you, alright? So the best way to make money is to look for what people are looking for, then create something to help them. For example, I've seen a lot of professional working women saying they don't have the time to cook, they don't have the time to clean. If you are someone who knows how to cook, you can make money from that. All you have to do is set up a small maybe Facebook page or Instagram page and then begin to share pictures of the food you like to cook. And when you see such people, you can start by reaching out. Maybe they're your friends. You can say to, oh yeah, I can help you cook. You charge them for it. You cook the food for them. Do it professionally now. Make it clean, make it polished, package it well, take photos, share on your page, then deliver to them. All you have to do is say to them, would you mind giving me a testimonial or a feedback or just a comment on the picture that you enjoyed what I did for you? Then if you do that, one person sees that they'll book you, the second person sees that they'll book you, the third person sees that they'll book you, you are in business already. And then a lot of us also think we need to go and do all this fancy business registration, this, that before we start. Start out first. If you are able to make money from what you are doing, then you are in business. Then you can take it to the next step, doing all the legal bit of business. We are also in a social media age now. A lot of people are using social media for business. If you are social savvy, you know how to do techie things. You can do things on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Then why not reach out to business owners, entrepreneurs who are in business for themselves, and reach out to them to say, listen, this is what I can help you do. All they have to do is give you a shot, and then if you do it for them, they like you. All you have to do, just like the other one I said, reach out to them and say, would you be able to give me a testimonial, or would you be able to leave me a comment? Then you share their work on your social media to say, I'm currently working with blah blah and blah, and this is what I've done with them. You blow your own trumpet by yourself. If you know how to take photos, go ahead and take photos. Take photos for people, post them on your social media, especially the college kids. That is how to make money. Anything you know how to do, just look for people to serve, people who will pay you to do it, and then you can make money. All you have to do is use your own social media platforms. Instead of posting the picture of celebrities who are popular and rich already, post your own work online. Post your work online and let people be able to see, oh yes, she can actually do it, or he can actually do it. That is how to make money, alrighty? Then the other way to make money is to discover what your own gift is. Discover your God-given gift. Your gift is also as easy as what you know how to do. The things you know how to do that comes to you naturally, they are gift to you. For example, one of my greatest gifts, and I'm thankful so much to God for giving me this gift, is the gift of encouragement. I love to encourage people. I am that girl who will tell my girlfriends, you know how to make cake. Some of them will be watching me. They know I am saying the truth. I am that girl who would say to my girlfriends, girl, you know how to make cake, you know how to make meat pie, you know how to do this, you know how to do this. Why don't you just set up a page or something and then begin to do it like a side gig? Do it for your church members. Design, decorate the cake, take photos of it and put it out. I'm grateful that God gave me the gift of encouragement, because this gift actually is making room for me. Honestly, it's bringing me to host events, it's bringing me to do speaking engagements in different parts of the world, it's bringing me before different people online, and that is why I also make these encouragement videos, because they actually showcase what I can do. And also my other gifts that I use them also, and they are now my business. Those are some of the ways you make money. Your God-given gift and the skills you acquire. Don't waste all those gifts. If you know how to do something, look for people who will pay you. If you know how to cut hair, cut hair. If you know how to make hair, make hair. If you know how to bake cake, bake cake. If you know how to make dresses, make dresses. If you know how to sing, sing. If you know how to write, write. I do a lot of writing as well, and I've had a great opportunity to write for different people from different parts of the world. So if you know how to do anything, just do it. Package yourself, open a Facebook or Instagram page, begin to share your work, talk about what you do, show up if you are truly passionate about it. And from doing that, you will actually discover more. You will discover the things you can do, the hidden gift and talent and potentials that you have. They will naturally unfold. The more you do anything, the greater or the better you will be at it. So that is how to make money. If at the weekend you are doing makeup for people, you get paid 20 euro, 25 euro. If you book 3 clients on a Saturday, that's 75 euros. So you can begin to put that money aside, expand your makeup kit. Don't spend all that money on clothes and shoes and bags. Those things don't add any profit to you. Make money and save money. Build wealth. The little money you make, save it, then make more and invest it in good things. Alright? Those are my tips on how to make money. And if you haven't read my book on how to discover your God-given gift, use what you have. Go ahead and buy your copy on Amazon. You can also send me an email on mojintouch@gmail.com to get your copy. It will help you discover who you are. It will help you discover your gift. It will help you learn how to embrace your gift and love your gift. It will teach you how to develop your gift. It will also teach you how to monetize your gift and maximize your gift, taking your gift to fulfill purpose. I love that book, and a lot of people have read it from different parts of the world. So don't waste your gift, don't waste your special skills and gift and talent. Do what you can to maximize them and fulfill your own potential with your gift. Every time you do something for someone and they are happy with it, you are fulfilling your purpose. You just might not know it, but truly you are fulfilling your purpose. As always, I just want to say thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy sharing with you, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. You can catch up with me on all my social media platforms. I'm on Facebook at mojintouch. I'm on Instagram at mojintouch. I'm also on Twitter at mojintouch. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I love you so very much for watching. I'll speak to you soon on my next video.